Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a mascara review for you guys on the LYS Lash Confidence Mascara. I recently got this sample from Sephora and I thought, why not do a dedicated video where I try this out on my short fine lashes and see how it performs. So if you guys are interested in seeing me demo this mascara and share my honest thoughts with you guys, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, I'm super excited to be trying this product out. I don't think I ever tried any LYS makeup before, so I'm super excited to see how I like it. So you guys know the drill, I need to read up about this product first just to manage my expectations and see what it's all about. So to start, this product retails for $26, which I think is pretty good. This isn't actually the regular size. The regular size is a lot bigger. It's like 7.5 grams. The one I have here is a sample size, I believe. So yeah, mine is only 4.5 grams, so you will get a larger bottle than this for $26, which is pretty good. This is of course a high-end mascara, so it's going to be $20+ unfortunately. So let's look at some of the highlights here. It says that this is a clean at Sephora product. It's vegan, it's curling, lengthening, long wearing, and it's alcohol free. So we're expecting the most from this product, you guys, so I'm excited to actually put this to the test because I have short fine lashes. I probably have the most difficult lashes on the planet, so let's see how this product performs on my eyes. Here is what the wand looks like, you guys. It has a really nice curve, which I think will help out with nicely curling the lashes, and the bristles look really nice and big. All right, let's go in with our first coat. So here's one coat so far. So far it's looking okay. I mean, I'm seeing nice separation of the lashes. They're not clumping, which is good. I think I'm waiting to still see more length and more volume, but I think that'll come with as I layer the product, of course. In terms of the wand, I do like how it's curved, but I don't know how I feel about the bristles being so big. I'm worried I'm gonna make a mess on my eyes, but we'll keep on working with it. Here is two coats, and I'm definitely starting to see the volume come in. I'm starting to see the length come in, and I see nice lift as well, and I think that has to do with the curvature of the wand. So definitely I am liking what I'm seeing so far. Let's keep on working with it. Look at how much length we are getting, you guys. Wow. And one thing I can appreciate about the mascara is that it's not clumping. Like, the more that I'm adding, it's still staying nice and separated, which I think is key. Nothing bothers me more than clumpy mascara, you guys, so I'm really satisfied with the product. Now let me quickly do this eye as well, and then we'll do the lower lash line and we'll see the final results. As I'm working away on my lashes, I had another thought that I wanted to mention about this wand. I really like the wand itself because I feel like the bristles are really soft and gentle on the eyes. I don't know if this is just a me thing, but I find some mascaras, the bristles are really harsh on the eyes and it kind of hurts if I go too close to the waterline, but I really like this. It feels so lightweight and airy on the eyes, and there's just so much bristles and details in here that I feel like that's how the lashes are staying nice and separated. So I really like the wand. I know initially I was like, oh, it's kind of big, like I don't know if I'm gonna like working with it, but I actually really like the overall feel of it on the eyes. I'm gonna quickly do my lower lash line, clean up the eyes, and then I'll share my final honest thoughts. Alright you guys, so here is the final look using the LYS Lash Confidence Mascara. I think my lashes look wonderful, you guys. I definitely see a nice lift, I see nice length and volume. I'm definitely seeing everything that they said that this product will provide. I think overall I have about 4 to 5 coats on my lashes and then about 1 coat on my lower lash line, and I'm actually really happy with how the lashes turned out. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Do you think my lashes look good? Do you think other mascaras did a better job? Because of course I did do a lot of mascara reviews on my channel, so make sure you guys check out those other videos and let me know if you think another mascara did a better job. I think my lashes look great and I'm actually really happy with the overall result. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's mascara review on the Lash Confidence Mascara by LYS. Overall you guys, I'm really happy with the results of the mascara. I feel like my lashes look really nice and defined. Even zooming you guys out, you can see my lashes look wonderful. There's really nice separation, there's length, there's volume. Having short fine lashes is a struggle, so I love finding mascaras that really work with my lashes and give me a nice lash look without me having to go in with too much product and then end up making my lashes look clumpy. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried this mascara out and what was your experience like. And let me know if there's a product out there that you guys would like me to review next, because on this channel we love to review makeup products and share honest thoughts with you guys. It could be high-end or low-end. I've been doing a lot of drugstore lately. I love the drugstore, you guys, so definitely comment down below and let me know. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!